Hi everyone, how's it going? Hope you guys are well. Today I'm in the Blue Mountains. I'm in Faulconbridge, and the plan is to do, I guess, a combination of tracks that I've done previously and sort of do it as a loop. So started at Springwood, took the train to Faulconbridge, and doing the Sassafras Gully track and Victory track before wrapping up with Magdala Gully track back up to Springwood where the car is. So it's a little bit rainy today, which I wasn't expecting, but still nice to go for a walk. So as always, thank you for coming along, and we shall see how this hike goes. So it's definitely a more intimate track than the usual. The good thing is the trees do block out a lot of the rain, and listening to the rain while walking is quite cool. So what we've just done is we've done a portion of the Sassafras Gully, and then we took a turn off to Numantia Falls, which was really nice to see when it was with a bit more rainfall. And now we're just continuing along the Sassafras Gully track before going along onto Magdala Gully track. Alright, so we slightly changed the route a bit. We're now going back up Sassafras Gully track to Springwood, rather than continuing on Victory track and then up Magdala Gully track. The main reason was, or a couple of reasons was, I don't think I've ever seen so many leeches on a walk before, and they're kind of relentless, and they really sort of drain the walk a bit, quite literally. And the rain's been a bit on and off. There's some periods where it's just super heavy. So we thought it might just wrap up the walk a little bit earlier and get to the station just a bit quicker.